We're getting gas.
I don't know which one to pick, you guys. It's so confusing.
You pick.
There's so many
Oh, I don't
choices.
know. What do you pick for this
Unleaded.
car? Unleaded?
Unleaded 88. I think I can do this one.
She's trying to figure out gas. Whoop, I need to move. We're getting gas. We're going on a trip.
Why is this so hard?
Did you get it yet?
Oh, it's going.
There it goes.
It's just like TV
Woo!
thing. I don't understand. You can come watch TV with me while we wait for our gas.
We're going on an adventure. Like Bilbo Baggins. I'm going on an adventure. Here we go. We're gonna go get food
Not the golden arches.
and then go there.
the caribou.
Can you see it? Caribou and Einstein. Abby,
Yep.
what's this women's retreat called?
I don't know.
Where are we going?
I don't even know what's happening.
I just asked Abby, so what's this women's retreat called? She's like, we're just going, just for the fun of it,
That's gonna be great.
to sell stuff for the Sausage Company. But we don't know anything about this women's retreat. Hopefully it's not super creepy.
We're going to the wrong camp. This is not gonna. I don't even. We're like homeless for the night, and we have to like camp with the bears.
We'll just sleep in the truck.
I have some crackers and chocolate. I guess we can survive.
We shall survive.
We shall.
I will survive. We're the shop girls this weekend.
We're shop girls.
Shop girls.
So adorbs.
Super. Soups adorbs. Who says that?
We do. Yeah, we were in bed. Like, we already got all ready. So my face is all washed.
Uh-huh. And then we
And we
remembered.
couldn't stop laughing and talking.
Well, and we're in a room with two older ladies, so we were like, we gotta whisper real quiet. We don't want to wake them up. They're super sweet, though. They gave us bedding because we're super smart and didn't bring sheets or anything for
We're
a
at a
women's
camp.
retreat at a camp.
We're at a camp in Minnesota in the woods, and I thought it was a hotel. I feel like a city girl. I don't know things. As if I didn't grow up going to camp. I was like, don't you provide sleeping bags for me? Where's my sleeping bag?
Where's my sleeping bag at?
And they're like, it's at home. You left it. Now what?
They're like, go fish. See if you can figure out what you're gonna do. We were all like prepared to snuggle up in one bed and share my blanket and my pillow that I brought. But we still wouldn't have had a sheet.
We could have used a sewing kit and sewn together our clothes into a blanket. We would have had to do that chore before bed, I think.
Oh, it would have been a little long, but you know, we would have figured it out. We knit ourselves up, sewed ourselves our own blanket. I feel like we should go do that now. Just because it would be funny. It would be this weird, because my mom just gave me a bunch of clothes.
That's right.
And we're like, what are we gonna do? Maybe we'll cut it all up and make a blanket out of it.
Like, or Michael Scott pretending to be Survivor Man or something.
Yeah. Well, we went and attempted to watch the Northern Lights. We didn't see them yet.
No,
We think maybe we've seen a little snippet of it, but
a little shimmy shine.
a shimmy shine. But I guess it's gonna look even more amazing in the morning, which means we'd have to get up early.
And then we heard a blop in the water, and I thought, this is I Know What You Did Last Summer. Someone is coming out of the water.
Someone's gonna kill us.
Because I know what we did last summer. What did we even do last
I
summer?
don't know. Nothing that involved water.
We're covering up conspiracies and
We have so many conspiracies.
yeah.
Like how we covered up that jewelry in there. We didn't do anything with the jewelry. We just covered it up so nobody would steal it in the night.
Because if you cover it, no one's gonna take it.
No one's gonna lift it up and take it. I mean,
Forget about it.
forget about it.
There's no one in here now.
I know. We're just in here all by ourselves, talking to a phone. I don't want to walk back by myself.
Oh my gosh.
She's got a mustache. Ooh.
Habahar.
Mine's too long.
Yours looks too good.
It could be a handlebar mustache. We're so sorry for that. Not really. Okay, bye. We should be getting exercise. Whoa. What is happening? I'm trying to get us both. She's disappearing.
Her out.
We've been sitting in a booth all day.
We have.
In a dungeon. We kind of thought that they were gonna give us more free time.
Yeah, we didn't get it.
No, this is our free time.
This is it.
And it's night. And it was so sunny.
We're almost to the end of the road, though.
Almost.
Not figuratively, literally.
Literally. So why were we even here, Abby? This weekend at this women's retreat?
What are you looking at?
What? Oh, like what's happening? Oh, dear.
I know, let's go.
You're freaking me out. Oh my gosh. My pants are falling down. I'm scared. You're scared. We're fine. We're together. Abby's freaking herself out now.
Camp. Women's conference.
Yeah.
Not women's. Sorry.
Women's.
Women's.
Woman and her things.
Not a women's. Woman.
There's a trail.
Stop. Let's go.
No, why? It's just a trail. I have to pee.
The deer came from there. Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Too many babies for this. Oh my god.
So we're here selling jewelry and things
Yes.
that people from other countries have made for, it's really hard to see, it's really dark. For what's it? With,
So they partner with women around the world, and these women make different things and get paid a nice wage for it, and then sells it for them, basically. They
yeah.
go to different camps, conferences, like home parties, that kind of thing. So yeah, that's what we're here doing.
That's what we're doing.
Run! The bears have 4-wheelers. Where are we going?
Bears have
I thought
four-wheelers.
it was this way.
I thought it was this way.
Oh no.
It's this
Oh
way.
no.
We're gonna get lost in the woods, and we're not even in the woods. We're on the road. We won't die, Abby. It's okay.
Okay.
You're not. You probably can't see us very well anymore, but we're still gonna talk because I don't know.
This is what we're doing.
This is what we're doing, and we couldn't talk earlier. This is the earliest we could talk to you.
Oh my gosh.
So this was the longest video on Earth.
Yep.
Well, it's only 6 minutes. It's not that bad. You guys liked watching us scream and almost pee our pants. Like, literally, I need to get back to there so I can pee. But now it's too dark.
It is.
Maybe we'll show you our living quarters while we're here. Because we had to snuggle in a bed because we're smart people.
Yeah.
And,
Well, our roomies are at the conference. We'll go.
yeah,
Maybe we'll show them.
I'll explain this story later.
We'll be back.
So, peace. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Leg lifts, y'all. Leg lifts. Oh, I should have done it the other way. Oh well.
This is what we do.
That's what we do. We're laying in our our bunk bed doing leg lifts. Because we have nothing else to do.
It's good though.
It is. We're okay with doing nothing.
So here's our room. 3 bunk beds.
Three bunk beds. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that was more like peace out, but not the number 2.
Number 2. So, we pack our bags to come here. And then we get here, and I kind of thought, you know, we're going to Big Sandy Camp. I'm pretty sure we might need to bring sleeping bags, but maybe we'll be okay. So I'm going to bring my blanket and my pillow, because I bring my blanket and my pillow everywhere I go. No matter if I'm going to a hotel, I bring my blanket and my pillow. This joker over here
I bring nothing.
She brings nothing. We get here, and then there's these just stripped down bunk beds. Nothing on there.
Nothing on them.
And we're like, oh crap. What we gonna do? I guess we're gonna snuggle together in a twin bed.
With our one blanket.
With our one blanket and one pillow on these hard plasticky beds.
It's a good thing we're like twin sisters.
Yeah.
'Cause I don't know. But then we're also sharing a room with people. We didn't know that.
Yeah, we were like,
But turns out it's a blessing
it is.
because they're like.
It was like it's like having our moms here.
Yeah. We went to their car and got their 2 car pillows. That's what's under my head.
They had
right now.
extra pillows.
And these 2 blankets and the sleeping bag that we're on right now.
Yeah.
This is
So she's
Danielle's
sleeping
blanket.
under. Yeah, I'm sleeping with my blanket, but we're laying on top of a sleeping bag, and they gave her 2 blankets and 2 little square pillows.
So without them, we would have been lost.
We would have been
so
sad.
So sad.
So we were like sitting here going, that was my mouth. Just.
We're just sitting here going. We're 12. We don't bring the things we need to camp. We make gross noises with our mouths.
We giggle until really late at night.
We did. We had the giggles so bad. It was a good thing we went for a walk and looked for Northern Lights.
And then scared ourselves again while we were on the dock.
That's right. There was like
Who's there?
gurgle sound, and I was so scared. All I could think was, I know you did this.
I still have not seen this movie, so I have no idea what you're talking about.
Don't see it.
Don't worry, I don't like horror
Also,
movies.
the lights on my neck. Do you see? That's like
Yeah. She's got a weird neck.
this weird band. on my neck. It's freaking me out. It makes my neck look really weird.
She's
got a weird neck.
Well, it looks like I don't even have a neck. There's a neck. I have a neck, and it's really bright as well.
Yeah.
So I was gonna say we were sitting here thinking about if we were gonna knit or crochet, and then we just were like, meh. We're just gonna sit here and take really long videos.
Yeah. That's all we did.
That's what we did, and that's what we're doing.
Yes. Well, we were on our feet most of the day at the booth, so we have to go back tonight still. So we're trying to muster up all our excitement. This is how I feel.
I got this. I'm trying to hold it in this cute bracelet. Oh yeah. Let me see. It's made out of paper beads. It is actually really super cool. By women in other countries. Which ones were where were these from? Do you know?
Uganda.
Uganda.
Women fleeing the Lord's Resistance Army.
Punks.
Not the women.
No.
The Lord's Resistance Army. So, it's pretty cool. It's a long necklace, but we wrapped it around a bunch of times. I really like it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
How? Well, guys. These are not the droids you were looking for.
These are not the droids you were looking for.
You will not laugh anymore. Oh.
We have no makeup on. This is us.
This is us, man.
After working hard. Oh my gosh, my eyes look red. Shh, don't look at it. Don't even look at it.
I got my hair done, so it has hairspray in it, so I can
So you can do whatever you want to it.
really poof it up if I want. And it had wave in it, and then it got brushed out.
Huh?
It's wild. I'm curious what it will look like
Super
when
wild.
it's straight again, but for now,